So this hair has already been washed as shown in previous modules.
We already did the haircut on the sides, so we know what we're blending into, and we already laid out his front hairline guide. And we're gonna put the membrane right at the top of the white line. That's where he wants his hairline.
Our next step is creating the guideline and to ensure where we're gonna be placing that unit. So we're gonna go with your trimmer and go around the perimeter of the head and making sure we leave this crown area nice and thick, and that was done prior when you did the haircut. That would give you an idea of where to place a guideline right above it.
So now I'm gonna cleanse the scalp with alcohol. I use 99%, so I'm gonna spray some on the sponge here, and it's gonna be really good to get any oils or anything he has on his head before we put any of the products on. And I'm careful to leave this line here because we still want to keep that there. We'll come back later before I put the glue on.
Our next step would be putting the adhesive on top of the scalp. We start off with the line in front. Make sure to get your disposable spatula and then your glue ready. Following the same pattern that you already made with the previous products.
Same thing, especially with this glue. You want to use those even strokes just to make sure we don't get globs in one area.
So the units usually come with that excess piece of plastic in the front. Before you install, you go in with your X-Acto knife and you cut precisely on that line. Next step is installing the unit. We'd like to make sure that the unit is always upside down, and you place it right in front of him and pay attention to where his nose is, the middle of it, all the way to the top to ensure that the placement is nice and even. So you need to roll it down. As you roll it, there's no creases and it's nice and even. The membrane and molding it straight into his size of his balding pattern. So the sides that I've already cut off, now I'm just setting it with a little small spatula and glue. Go back in and set it. First layer to blend in the unit.
So this part is super important, and we're gonna have 3 sections of these layers. And what we're doing is we're blending the longer hair until his bio hair on the sides. And we're gonna take our time and cut this down and make sure it's a soft finish. If we skip this part, the unit's gonna look like it's a hat or something. It's not gonna look like it's blended at all. So now we're gonna take our clips. So now that we cut the sides with shears, now we're gonna use our razor comb to soften and blend the rest of the hair. It's important to use this side, the longer side, and not this side. This side is shorter and will take way more length off. This one gives more leeway. So we're gonna use this side to blend. As I see the darker area here, that's where I need to blend to. I'm gonna have some medium tension, and I'm really just gonna focus more on the bottom where it needs to end. And I just cut it straight down. And again, you wanna pull and have some tension there. Now we're sectioning out the third and the final layer.
It is important for you to section the hair.
So that way we can be as precise as possible and the unit's gonna look as natural as we can.